If you are a fan of Bengali cuisine and if you are looking for something new and exciting to try, stick around for this recipe. In this video, I'll be sharing a unique combination of spices for making the perfect masala bari, which you can try in your next mixed vegetable or fish curry recipes. If you are here for the masala bari recipe, then I suggest you check out my previous videos on how to prepare the lentil and the spices. Hey there, I'm Pritha and welcome back to my channel. Let's get started. To start, I'm using fermented black gram split paste, adding ginger, poppy seeds, and sun-dried pumpkin seeds. To make it spicier, I have also added my special spice combination. You can find the recipe link in the description. Mix everything well and whisk until it feels light in your hands. Next, take a small portion of the mixture and lay it on a surface where air can pass through easily. Allow it to dry in sunlight for about 4 days. Turn the tray occasionally to ensure even drying. Once it's dry, you can easily remove it from the tray without breaking it. And that's it, your spicy lentil dumplings are ready to use. You can fry them or add them to your favorite curry recipes for an added burst of flavor. Let me know if you try this recipe and how it turns out for you. Thank you for watching.